Hi guys. Okay, so this is exercise 4.6, and what we're doing is we're sharing an amount in a given ratio. These are the steps that you have to do. Write them down, and then when you get on, you'll understand more what they mean. So you add the values in the ratio, you divide this amount by the total number of parts, and then you use that answer and multiply the values of the ratio. So pause it, write this down, and then we'll move on to the next one. Let me show you what I mean. The question will say share 45 in the ratio of 2:7. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to take the 2 and you're going to add them. You're going to take those numbers, you're going to add them together, okay? And here you get the answer of 9. Then you take your part that you have to share, okay? And you and you divide that by the number that you got there. So when you added those together, you divide the 9. So you got 45, because that's where you got it there, divided by 9, and you get 5. Right? You take that 5 and you multiply it by 2, because you're using that 2 to get 10. And you take the 5 and you multiply it by that 7 to get 35. And when you add them up, you should come to 45, which was where you started. And that's how you know you were right. This is how I want you to set it out. Okay? So maybe write down this example so that you understand it. So you add your ratio numbers together. You take the sharing number and you divide it by the adding of the ratios together. You get an answer, you multiply that by your first ratio, you multiply it by your second ratio, and you should get the answer of 45. That's as simple as it is. So go ahead and write your notes down and get 4.6 a go.